In this video, we're looking at exterior angles of a triangle. So an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. So exterior meaning outside, interior meaning inside. So outside, inside. Alright, so the exterior angle, let's label this X here. That's my exterior angle, is equal to the sum, which is addition, of my two internal opposite. So what I mean by that is opposite are these two angles here. So we can name this Z and Y. So I know that X is going to be equal to Z plus Y. So let's look at some examples. So we need to find the value of each pronumeral. So luckily for us, we do have our exterior angle here, and we are also given the two opposite internal angles. So all we need to do is write down that X is going to be the sum of these two numbers, so 86 plus 18, and that gives us 104 degrees. So that was an easy one. Look at this one here. Remember, this is 90 degrees, but again, we have our exterior and our two interior angles. So X, or not this case is X, is M, is going to equal 90 plus 45, which gets us 135 degrees. Now you may come across some more complex ones, such as this here. So we're trying to find B. So cool, we have our exterior angle there, but the angles that we need are these two here, and we only have one of them. So sometimes it requires some manipulation to find the unknown, the angles that we need. Alright, so you need to open your mind a little bit and look for other alternatives to help you get to that solution. So the solution that I would look at is, we have this 162 out here, and I do know that this forms a straight line. Now the special thing about straight lines, a straight angle is 180 degrees. So I know that 162, and let's just call this X for now because we don't know what it is, X and that 162 have to add up to 180. So what does my X have to be? So X is going to have to be 180, take away 162, which is 18 degrees. Now that I've got that, I can actually go back in there and I can get rid of that X, and I can change that to 18 degrees. Now I have the two angles that I need. I've got this angle and this angle, which are my two interior opposite angles. So now I can go B equals 18 plus 11, which is 29 degrees. So sometimes you need to look for alternative ways and use your skills that you've developed along the way to find out what your B is. So in this case, we used our knowledge that a straight angle is 180 degrees. So I was able to find my unknown internal angle there, the 18 degrees, and then finally use that to find the final answer of my exterior angle, which was the question, the letter B, the pronumeral B.